Okay. Hey guys, GokuHater99 here. I'm teaching my friend how to play Pokemon, and I was making a normal and water deck. So yeah, it's illegal, but let me know if there's anything that I should add to it, because I'm really stuck. So brush my hair, look fly. Hey. Anyway. Yeah, that feels good. Chris. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, like I said, this video will be posted in a couple minutes, so, give me some ideas and subscribe because, yeah, alright. Peace out, Rusty.